Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds Premium. Firstly, thank you ever so much for becoming a premium member. So this short tutorial will be showing you how you can download resources once you become a member. So firstly, start off by selecting login, and then you want to log in with your credentials. Once logged in, your name will come up in the top of the website in the header, so you know that you're logged in. From there, what you can then do, you just select a resource which you want to download. So say for instance you want to download this metal texture. If you scroll to the bottom of the post, you'll now see a download button which will allow you to download the resource, and that's how it works on pretty much every other resource across the Creative Nerds Premium collection. So if you want to download the 7 paint splatter brush set, it would be the same process. Scroll to the bottom and there's a download button at the bottom of the post. Thanks for watching, and I hope this is helpful.